Hi, I'm Tadao of Madaskaelde. Madaskaelde is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how I replaced the light bulb in the freezer of GE refrige. And GE refrige part number, the model number. That's long. That's weird model number, but it's GSS23 GS KKCSS. And there are so many model numbers of G refrige. I don't know why they do this kind of thing. The model number should be much easier. But that was only 3 years, and the lamp in the freezer dead, and there are like two possibilities. One is the light bulb. That was LED lamp light bulb that is dead, and the other possibility is the driver circuit for the LED is dead. And since driver circuit is behind the unit, I tried just to replace the light bulb, and it worked. So this is how it went. So this is the G refrigerator. We purchased this about 3 years ago, and it's really disappointing that the freezer light it's dead. And I believe this is LED, so the freezer light is here. So I can take this tray out, and if this cover actually often pops out while we are using it. So there's a light there, and I believe that is LED. That's LED. So LED lamp is dead, and one reason is that LED bulb itself dead, and the other reason is the driver is dead. If it's driver, we have to replace the circuit behind this wall, and that's gonna be a pain. So I bet this is the light bulb first. So I'm gonna replace the light bulb first and see what happens. So I got this replacement lamp, and it's made in China. Obviously, it's cheap one. When I looked up on the website, there are several options. If I choose the genuine GE port, the price was about $85, and this guy is from eBay. I put the link below, part number, and this was about $10. And you know that GE lamp, that genuine, the original lamp on the refrige that burned out in 3 years, and I believe that is genuine, right? And it's only last 3 years. So why you have to pay $85 on the genuine port, and that will probably die in 3 years. So I decided to buy the cheap one made in China, and this is like this. And the connector is here, so I'm gonna just replace this and see what happens. So this is really tough. You cannot put your shoulder in it, so you have to turn your body. So this is the unit, and you see, I hope you see the lead wire there. So all you have to do is disconnect the connector, but that's tough. First you have to do like this. Okay. So this is the unit. So I'm gonna replace this. So there are two holders here and here. It pops out easily. I'm gonna put the new one. Like this. And I'm gonna put this connector back in. I hope this is gonna work. Again, I have to dive into the freezer. That's a tough part. Okay, it works. So I'm gonna put the cover. Make sure it's not gonna pop out. And put the tray. So this was a very easy repair as long as it's the light bulb. If it's not light bulb, it's gonna be a big pain. You have to pull out the refresh and take the cover out, and you have to locate where the driver is. So LED is really tricky. The people, some manufacturer claims the LED is really long lifetime, like 10,000 hours or something like that. But you know, if you buy a cheap made in China light bulb, it often burns out in a year or two. So some light bulbs or some LED lamp burns out because of the driver dead, like the capacitor is dead or something like that. But at the same time, the light LED lamp itself burns out. So it's not really long lifetime. Some good one might be a long lifetime, but also you have to keep in mind that the LED is really susceptible to the surge. So if you have the surge, or for example, if you have like a high altitude explosion attack, like a pulse attack, EMP attack, or all the light bulb will dead because the LED will be dead from the surge. So you have to keep it in mind in case in an emergency. But anyways, I repaired this, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.